Hey guys, hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Priya Mahajan and today's product that we're going to discuss about are these earphones from Infinity by Harman. So they're the Glide 120 Bluetooth earphones that we're going to discuss about today. Have a look at the box. So this is the box in which I received the product. अगर आप इसे closely देखें तो यहाँ पे यही वाले earphones मेरे को मिले हैं exactly same and I'm going to tell you more about it. So here are the earphones that I received. So guys, ये Bluetooth earphones हैं, wireless earphones हैं, sweat proof हैं. For example, if I go for a run, I use these earphones. I purchased them very recently. These days I'm not able to go for my run only because of like the cases that are rising, and so it's better to stay at home. I advise all of you to stay at home and not go out. Only for essential purpose you should be going out. So घर पे रहिए, Infinity by Glide के earphones use करिए. They are multi-purpose earphones, can be used for listening to music, can be used for calling, hands-free calling, which is a very beneficial thing कि आपको मोबाइल ऐसे कान पे लगा के बात नहीं करना पड़ता. So definitely must buy. And और अगर मैं आपको इस प्रोडक्ट के बारे में बताऊँ, so ये different colors में आता है. Right now the color that I have, it's the yellow one. There's red also. मैं आपको links दूंगी description में, so you can go ahead, have a look and grab your Infinity by Glide earphones. The color can be of your choice of course. And so ये अगर आप देखेंगे a closer view at it, so here we have the plus sign, the minus sign, and this power button. So there are 3 buttons here. This is for reducing the volume, increasing the volume. This is for power on and off. So अगर आप ये दोनों, that is plus and minus को एक बार क्लिक करेंगे, just click it together and so it turns into deep bass. तो आप deep bass and normal bass में भी play कर सकते हैं अपना music on these earphones. Other than that, यहाँ पे ही हमारे पास एक charging port भी है. These earphones, they offer 7 hours audio playback, and so you always have to charge your Bluetooth earphones. इसके साथ इन्होंने हमें they have provided us with a charging wire as well. I will be showing that to you in a while. So यहाँ पे you just have to, if I tell you how to use it, you just have to open it up and plug in your wire here, and दूसरा आप पोर्ट में डाल सकते हैं. You can use any device to charge this. Can be your laptop, can be your adapter of your phone. And यहाँ पे अगर आप देखेंगे, so this has a cable management, that is a magnetic cable management that you see here. So when you take it, it's very easy to carry. आप आराम से इसे you can keep it around your neck and you can use it. So just for safety purpose, they provide cable magnetic management as cable management as well, the magnetic management. And अब बस ऐसे you can just keep it and you can forget about it. The fear of losing goes away with this. Okay, coming to the products, like the supportings that I got with this earphone. So this is the wire that I was talking about. So this is what you have to plug into your adapter or your laptop, and this will go here. I will just show it to you. So I open this and I plug it in. Yeah, see. And this again goes into your adapter. So it is very easy to charge, very easy. आप रात को इसे चार्ज करने पे लगा सकते हैं, सुबह से शाम तक आप इसे यूज़ कर सकते हैं, फिर से चार्जिंग पे लगा सकते हैं. इसके साथ साथ मुझे ये ईयर टिप्स या बड्स भी मिले हैं. So in case you lose one of them, or if you want to use a bigger, so इसमें भी sizes में इन्होंने दिए हैं. One they've given me a smaller tip, the other one they've given me a bigger ear tip. So you can use any one, whichever you like. So this is what I had in the box along with a user manual. I also have a user manual जिसमें वो हमें बताते हैं कि बॉक्स में क्या क्या है, आपको प्लग इन कैसे करना है, यूज़ कैसे करना है प्रोडक्ट. अदर देन दैट हैंड्स फ्री कॉलिंग के बारे में मैंने आपको बता दिया, बॉक्स में क्या है मैंने आपको बता दिया. सो दिस इज़ ऑल्सो स्प्लैश प्रूफ, तो अगर थोड़ा सा पानी भी गिर जाए it won't harm your product. So I have been using it and I really like the product, guys. So I recommend it. I highly recommend it. I have provided links in description below for you all to watch, and I really hope you like the video. Go ahead and grab your Infinity by Harman Glide 120 Bluetooth earphones, and do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Do subscribe to my channel. I am very pro at bringing all these products, reviews for all these products for all of you. And so do subscribe to my channel. Do stay tuned for more upcoming videos on lifestyle products. And I really hope you like the video. Bye bye.